Hi guys, this is part 2. How are you? I'm doing wow, that's the building what I always see it. Oh my god, do you see the bundok? Mami, nakikita mo yung bundok? Sa likod. Ah, sa Antipolo. Laki naman ng bundok. Zoom in ko muna. Wait. Ah, galing na pala tayo sa Rizal eh. Hindi ko talaga na. Kasi galing nga ako ng Antipolo. Ganda. Universidad ng Pilipinas. Ano to makita kay Leon Newton? Oh my god. Look in here. Look in this way. Yes. Me. Look. Nakikita mo yung bundok. Nakikita ko. Ano yun? Ah, sa Rizal or Antipolo. Driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, that dog is shaped like a deer. DUI, and how about you die? I'm going 1,000 miles in an hour. Little do you know, I feel like the guy ever here. You're picking out. Rise is fog with my million truck and seems that I'm a what the? That's a big bag. I don't want to grab a sand. This is a fast trip.
Nangihina na daw siya eh. Ikaw ba naman tayo na tayo? Hindi mo naman wala ka naman nangihinom na ano.
Tayo. Ano yun?
Tapos ni-text ko sila yun na yun. Nag-i-LPM si Kuya doon sa bahay. Binilang ko lang ng high drive. Sige Kuya, tawagan ko si
Pichichi.
Kasi asawa niya walang pakialam siya sa kanya. Tapos sabi din tayong labo.
Chichiwi. Chichiwi.
Sinuto ka naman. Kumain naman.
Chichiwi. I should have open over here so you know how I do
Caldo.
So this is part 2. So this will go tomorrow. So watch part 3.